Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have Pandahall items to share with you guys. I have got so many things that will help me achieve a lot of the things that I've been really addicted to lately. So I have been on a hunt for a Carabina clip, right? So I found this size here and it looks absolutely amazing. It is so big, you guys. And this comes in a container like this plastic container, which you can also use as an embellishment box for Happy Mail. But inside this clear container, you get 4 of this really good quality Carabina clip. Now these Carabina clips, if you guys aren't aware what these are used for, these are absolutely amazing for bag charms and just to make your dangles and hang heaps on the bottom and just to gift as a Happy Mail gift. I am so excited to be using this, and this is a screw. So you unscrew like this to get it off, and then you can feed your beads, things like that. And this is a really good size. Let me give you an idea of how wide this is. So this is 3.5 inches from here to here, you guys. So this is one of the reason why I'm so addicted to finding larger whole beads as well, because I want to be able to not only dangle things at the bottom but also feed through some beads also. I think that's going to make it super fun and bright and happy. So I've got 3 packs of this, so I have 12 to play with, but I'll probably give some. Then I also found this bow bead, and this has beautiful iridescent and shimmer goodness. Can you see? And because the bead shape is more of a horizontal narrow style, it'll sit on the rounded bead nicer. So I wanted to explore that. And the bead hole size is really nice for your beadable item. So I have a pack of this, so pretty. And what I'm about to dangle down here is using some of the recent knot that I learned. You know, I've learned how to do the snake knot, and I am like watching some macrame style things on YouTube, and I found this color here. It has 3 different color tones. It's like basically pinky, but it's got like ombre look. And it's really nice cotton. It's just so nice. Oh my gosh. And I think this is like 2 millimeters or 3 millimeter. So this is going to be really pretty to dangle. Then while I was looking at that, I came across this one. This is a more of a thinner one, but I am probably thinking of Halloween with this purple. And it's got like bit of pink mixed as well with like, it's kind of like 3 different tones of lilac purple. And it's so pretty. So this will be really wonderful to make dangles with as well. And you get so much, and these will last me for a while. And then I found this pastel tone one. This is a large size, as you can see. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Now these all come vacuum packed, you guys. So this one was vacuum packed with like a plastic covering like this all around, and I took it off. And these all came in like a zipper bag as well. So they are really well protected. Then this one here, oh my gosh, I love the rainbow effect going on, and it's pastel tone. And I'm going to be doing like knots with this and dangling beads. So this is going to be super fun too. So I have these beautiful colors selected. Then I also wanted some different kind of texture to dangle on my Carabina or other bookmarks and things that I might be making. And so this one has like gold shimmer. Can you see? How magical is this? And I love this frayed edge look as well. So I can use this for Halloween crafting or spring, summer crafting also. And look at that magical shimmer. So pretty. And you can use this to hang at the top of your bookmark, and it'll be just so soft to touch and very pretty to look at. So I've got this color here, and then this color. Look at this pink. So pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Then I have this one here. Can you see? Wow, that is so pretty. So I've got these. So this comes in a set. Then I also found some blue tone, but it's not really just blue. It's got like turquoise sort of color as well. Oh, this one, they didn't use a pin for this one. They just knotted it. So I'm just going to cut this to show it to you guys, if I can get it. Okay. So look at this one. This one it's got that shimmery effect too, but in silver touches. I think this will be really good for Halloween. Then we have this color here. Let me cut this, because I have to cut this anyway, so to use it, so I don't mind showing it to you guys. Oh, if my hand would cooperate. Okay, so look at this one. Look at this. How magical is this? So magical. Oh my gosh. Then we have this color here. Bit more darker tone of ocean blue. But I really wouldn't call this just blue. It's kind of got like that periwinkle blue color tone. Okay. Look at this, you guys. How pretty is this? So pretty. And that's the other side. So you can choose to use either side really. But look at that. So pretty. So that's another color tone I have. And one last item to share with you guys is this one here. It's to hide your knots when you're doing your jewelry making. So these are really good for your keychain dangles. And it'll make things more stronger too. And look more clean and nice. And it comes in this clear case. I got 2 of it. So these look like this. Can you see? And it's got like the opening. It's got a little bit of the rounded thing at the bottom. So you will be putting your string through there, and then whatever you knot, you can hide it in there and clamp it. So I am going to be using this as well to dangle onto my Carabina clip. So I am going to really have fun exploring all of these new items from Pandahall. And you guys, make sure you use my discount code when you're shopping at Pandahall, which will save you 10%. Everything adds up when you're buying your craft supplies, right? So thank you so much for being here, and enjoy looking at the Pandahall website. They have so many amazing things. It's like your time just goes by just browsing as well. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye for now.